Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rev A Shelf. This is their belt butler. Okay, this is a natural wood finish top mount 20-inch long rack belt butler. Very nice quality item, very significant in its weight, weighs 4 pounds, or at least weighs over 4 pounds as a matter of fact. At least it does with the box that it comes in. The packaging is exceptional with this Rev A Shelf item. It is very nicely insulated. There's styrofoam inserted between all of the hooks on both sides. The unit is packaged, plastic wrapped, silica gel inserted for its trip from where this is manufactured. Put into a box, placed within another larger box. I was impressed with the packaging. Moving forward, this is a 20-inch top mount shelf in a natural finish, as I mentioned earlier. The species of wood, I can't be thoroughly positive, but it's a hardwood species, perhaps alder or beech, perhaps. Very nice quality, dense wood. Could be beech. Okay, going to be very complementary to any sort of natural finish that you have in a closet situation. So its belt capacity is 42 belts. It's a lot of belts. The unit is considered top mount. So what that means is that it has this sliding, this slide. It's basically a drawer slide that's just mounted horizontally. And it will literally attach inside of your cabinetry so that when you approach it, you will pull it out with these indents that are here. Okay. It will attach to the top through the holes with the included screws that are provided. Screw packages here. Okay. There's no name on this drawer slide, so I'm not sure who the manufacturer of it is. It could be Rev A Shelf, privately manufactured sort of item. But makes for a very nice unit. Installation, obviously simple. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page, which just graphically detail the installation aspect, and what I like most about it is this. Estimated assembly time, 5 minutes. Down here, really, they don't give you any sort of dimensions. You're going to want to do a reality check based on where you're going to want it to fit finally. Okay, you might want to have some help being able to position it correctly, knowing where the slide is going to be located so that you can mark the holes underneath the cabinet. Okay, and then pre-drill and then get the installation done. Okay. Very simple thing to install. Now there are dimensions: 4.5 inch wide, 3 3/8 high, 19 7/8 deep. So 4.5 inch wide. Obviously, going to be a reference to the outside of the hooks. And I'm going to go with an overall width of closer to 4 3/4. These are nylon or plastic covered. Well, there's a slip sleeve over these that covers the unit itself, or the hook itself. Looks like it's a very thin piece of plastic that's literally just pushed onto the end of these before these are inserted into the rest of the assembly. So 4.5 inch wide, basically accurate. 3 3/8 is the height. Let's test that. Yep, maybe 3 3/16. The overall depth, they have it at 19 7/8, and that appears to be very accurate. Okay, 19 7/8, that's right on. Very nice construction item, very simple. Again, no specific dimensions. You're going to want to just reality check everything. The point of the matter is, before you purchase it, make sure that you've got the depth required, 19 7/8. It would certainly need that to at least be flush to everything. There's no reason to have it go any further back, I suppose. The length of the track I'm going to give you as well, so that you have an idea of what the overall length is. It's about 17 3/4 from the outside of here to the outside of here. Screw locations, you're going to be at about 15 1/4. from this hole down to this hole, about 15 3/4. So keep that in mind as you're determining if this will fit into your construction. These installation instructions, which are included, are available below this video, called Installation Instructions, as a link. You can review that. You can also review the video. There's a link below this video to a Rev A Shelf.
Our patented tie butler holds up to an astounding 68 ties without wrinkling.
A Rev A Shelf produced video regarding their belt butler, which is very handy, I think, to review prior to installation, because it shows this unit as it's installed and its operation, or shows similar units. There is finally a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rev A Shelf products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to all of their primary product catalogs, their organizational products like this, their hardware catalog, their lighting catalog. The bottom line with Rev A Shelf is if you are looking for closet organization or some sort of cabinet organization hardware like a Lazy Susan installation, Rev A Shelf would be a name. They have some unique pieces of hardware as well, like magnetic concealed locks. That's probably the most common thing that we sell from Rev A Shelf, where you've got a lock body that's on the inside of the cabinet, and only on the presentation of a magnet will it unlock. So that's helpful because it allows to, just require some special knowledge and, of course, a magnet to open the unit. I have families who have senior citizens or Alzheimer's or pre-Alzheimer's sort of conditions, a father, a grandfather, grandparents living with someone, so they'll put a lock like that on there, or little kids as well. Very simple little item to install and solve some specific problems like that. But all of the rest of the Rev A Shelf items are there. Nice quality components. I've called their technical support people countless times, always responsive, and I would fully suggest that you review their product line before considering a final purchase from another manufacturer. Give Rev A Shelf a look is what I'm trying to say. If you have any questions on their Rev A Shelf, their RSCWTBR-20-1, this is their belt butler for 42 belts, or any other Rev A Shelf product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.